What's going on, fam? We are taking the Miata drifting today. We got Brian back there in the zombie truck. We're going to Adams Motors. Adams Motorsport. Not bad. Adams. I don't even know. Freaking. But yeah, we're going to the track real quick. The one right by my house. So hopefully everything goes great. By the way, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I got new merch coming. I got some stickers made too. I'll show you guys in a bit. I'm gonna give some out today, and this is the shirt. You know, this is my shirt that I'm selling. If you guys want one to support the channel, go ahead and let me know. Drop a comment. I'll leave my Instagram on the description below, so you guys go ahead and check it out. Go ahead and send me a DM, and we'll go from there. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to Adams track already. Hell yeah, Brian. You got this or what? What are you doing, bro? What are you doing to your car?
My car or your car?
The Del Sol. There's a Honda Del Sol, isn't it?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right. It's a rear-wheel drive Del Sol, 1994 with the Mazda swap. We put the quarter panels of a Mazda. Ooh. Alright, fam, so I'm gonna go ahead and start driving down there. I'm not gonna be able to have the camera on me. Brian's gonna be recording everything from up top. So, Brian, where the hell you at?
Motherfucking damn ham a fucking sandwich.
Alright guys, we're back home. I didn't freaking do so well freaking today. I ended up like, I don't know, something was wrong, and then my shifter broke off, so I was like, damn, you know, we just kind of took off after like that little session. I got some more work to do on the car. I'm planning to buy like all these bushings for it, probably buy some polyurethane bushings. But we'll see. But yeah, there was a bunch of people out there. Damn, they got packed. Like, I think I only got like 4 laps in, you know, like I didn't get that many in. I was like, it was pretty full, and then the session after that was even more full, so I don't know how that one really went. I didn't really stay there until it finished. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace out.